The one that I think is about earthquake. Earthquake, you know earthquake? Earthquake is something like, I don't know anything about earthquake. Earthquake is very scary thing. I don't like to experience earthquake, you know. I remember my friends told me about the earthquake that happened in Cebu last, I don't know. You know, my cousin told me that they are in the middle of their class and the earthquake, oh my god. and the earthquake happened.